Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to re-establish your Gmail password. Let's start. First, open the web browser on your mobile device. Then go to accounts.google.com. Tap on Forgot Password. Then tap on Try Another Way. It will send a verification notification on any app of your mobile device. Tap on Try Another Way. Again, tap on Try Another Way. Now select the option of More Tips to recover your account. You need to follow these steps in order to re-establish your Gmail password. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.